The movement of people and equipment at a hazardous material site must be carefully managed to minimize worker exposure and protect the public from hazards. Hazards need to be identified. The site must be secured, and a communication plan should be implemented. Based on the hazards and site characteristics, work zones and important support areas and facilities, such as a command post, access control points, and decontamination stations, should be established. If the public is in danger, a decision needs to be made on whether to evacuate or shelter in place. Safe work practices and procedures must be followed to keep everyone safe.